Because it's a shop.
How do you know that? Or how did you learn about it?
From Sakura and Safari.
What's that?
You don't know them? They're actually. I will show you it when I search that.
Are they vloggers? Are they cartoon characters?
Actually, they're sisters.
Sisters. Are they characters or are they real person?
They're real persons.
They go to IKEA.
Yeah.
And what can you buy there?
You can buy a lot of stuff. And
Like what?
bed and some of kitchen things, anything.
Really?
Yes.
And do you wanna go there?
Yes.
And what will you buy when you go there?
A bunk bed.
A bunk bed? Why?
So I can sleep on top.
I want to sleep on the top. What else? What else do you want to get at IKEA?
I want to get kitchen stuff.
Kitchen stuff like what?
Like frying pan.
A frying pan. Why? You want to cook? For real?
Yes.
What else?
You know what?
No.
Look at my shirt.
Yeah. What else do you want to do in IKEA?
I will look at something else like shoes.
Like what?
Like things, anything. They do that and touch things so they can pretend they're in back home.
Oh, they play in the store?
Yes. They like to play in the store because it was so much fun to them.
But it's a store. It's not a playground.
Yes, but you can play in that store.
Really?
Yes.
Are there also toys there?
No.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
I think there are toys
I'm sure.
there. Okay.
There's no toys.
No toys? Okay.
Yes, they're just pretending that the real stuff are toys.
Okay.
That's how they like to play.
So do you wanna go there?
Yes.
Are you gonna ask Baba to bring you to IKEA?
Yeah.
Where do you want to go? IKEA, Disneyland?
IKEA's a shop.
Yeah.
And IKEA is not a kizuna.
It's not like Kids. But where do you wanna go?
To IKEA.
IKEA or Disneyland?
I only like those.
Really? Just pick one.
IKEA.
Okay.